Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this question. If 1 by 3.718 is equal to point, this is point. Actually we can also write here 0 point, but since it is directly in the question points, I have written here point, or we can also write here 0.2689. Then find the value of, again this is 1 by, this is a point, 0.0003718. So now let us start from here. We have to find the value of this one, so we'll write here 1 divided by 0.0003718. So this can be written as, let us remove the first one, we can write here, because now we have what is given here. This is 1 by 3.718. So we can bring this in that form. So here we can write here 3.718 here. If the point is given over here, 3.718 for this one, we will see the last four digits. So if that point is given over here, we'll go backwards from here. That will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide it by, we'll write here 1 and we'll write here 4 zeros. This part should be clear. So now once you know this one, so now you know this is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. So in the denominator we have a fraction, so we will flip over this one, so that 10,000 will go, 1 into 10,000 means that is going to be 10,000 divided by 3.718. Now we have the value of, if this 1.1 divided by 3.718 is equal to this one. So now let us bring this in that form, so we can write here 10,000 into 1 divided by 3.718, because we have the value of this one. So this into this is going to be nothing but 10,000, and this is the denominator is the same. So we can write here 10,000 into the value is given 1 divided by 3.718, that is 0.2689. We can write here 0.2689. So this will be, first we'll write here 2689 and then we'll think of the decimal. 2689, we'll write this whole number over here. And then how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we'll write here 4 zeros first. So this is to avoid the confusion. This is one extra step what we have to do. And then after writing this one, we will think about the decimal. So decimals means we will go from here to here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are you going to do? From here to here, you will go 4 digits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and then put a decimal over here. So hope this is clear to you. First write the number, then put the number of zeros, and then you go backwards there as well as the same digit. So that will be 2689. 0.00, that doesn't make any sense. So the answer is 2689. So this is the answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.